close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And it's been a while since I've been in this booth, man. It feels good to be home, though. Yeah. Remember I used to record off my S-Box, like a freshman year back in the days. Yeah, so every day when I wake up, now the first thing I do is go check my plays, because I appreciate every fan, every like, every share, and every listen. And these rappers that are quote better than me, well, I call it a game if there ain't no competition. Yeah, so every day I be working, futuristic sound and flow tight like a virgin. Yeah, these dudes never used to hit me bad. Now to do the feature, bruh, it's 200 for the track. Not cocky, just deserve some respect. You mistook if you're not concerned that I'm a threat. If you sick, dog, then make me the vet. But don't get it twisted, I'm the illest as it gets, bruh. They don't pay attention, but honestly, I don't mind. Cause I know if I keep working, that one day I'll get mine. If I stay focused, I stay driven. Talk about life while I live it. So I wave the flex goodbye, cause right now I feel so high. Right now I feel so high. Whoa. Right now I feel so high. Yeah. Right now I feel so high. Yeah. Right now I feel so high.
Yeah. Said I coming for the game, said I coming for the fame. I'm undercover right now, like your girl the other day. But I know it's gon' change. I've been learning my lessons. It's my second year, but I'm about to make my first impression. Got me through the headphones and give me your attention. I've been fucking the game, not wearing no protection, right? And you know what it is. Been dropping hits after hits, man, you know that kid will never miss. Feeling the flow and they know that it go. Living my life, trying to live it some more. Been doing the numbers from nothing to something. I've been getting plays, you been played by them hoes. Running this shit when I come into your town, thinking on another level while they sticking to the ground. And everybody asking when another track about to drop. They used to never pay attention, now they pay until I stop. It's like that.
Don't pay attention, but honestly I don't mind, cause I know if I keep working that one day I'll get mine. If I stay focused, I stay driven, talk about life while I live it. So I wave the next goodbye, cause right now I feel so high. Yeah. Right now I feel so high. Whoa. Right now I feel so high. Yeah. Right now I feel so high. Yeah. Right now I feel so high.
I just had a little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel. Look. You so fucking precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it from the back and drive you wild. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste no time. Feels like forever, even if forever's tonight. Just lay with me, waste this night away with me. You're mine. I can look away, I just gotta say I'm so fucking happy you're alive. Yeah. Swear to God I'm down. If you down, all you gotta say is right. Yeah. Girl, anything I could do just to make you feel alright. Oh, I just had to let you know you're fine. Running circles around my mind. Even when it's rainy, all you ever do is shine. You on fire, you a star just like Mariah. Man, this feel incredible, I'll turn you to a bride. You're mine. Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste no time. Feels like forever, even if forever's tonight. Just lay with me, waste this night away with me. You're mine. I can look away, I just gotta say.
1 hour later.